When it's in down, oh body, you go dance. Hey, shake body, shake and bounce. Hey, 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 shake body, shake and bounce. When it's in down, oh body, you go dance. Hey, Yemi Alade. I dey like Jijomi, I like shawarma, but not too much calories, so I chop banana. One a bit for your head like bandana.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is gonna be a very easy 4C hair tutorial. If you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends. So guys, today I'm going to show you guys how I was able to achieve this very beautiful 4C hairstyle. And the great thing about this hairstyle is that you just don't have to kill yourself applying Eco Styler gel or whatever on your hair to make sure that it slicks down. Hell no, you don't have to do that. And this hairstyle was actually inspired by my girl Yemi Alade. She recently dropped out a new song and the song was so amazing as always. And I really love her hairstyle. When I saw the hair on her, you know, she keeps coming out with this beautiful traditional like African kind of hairstyle that is so beautiful and unique. So when I saw it, I was like, oh my god, I need to try this hairstyle like as soon as possible because I absolutely love it. And the great thing about the hairstyle is that it's really beautiful and it's so easy to do. Like seriously, I didn't even use Eco Styler gel. I didn't bother too much to slick my hair, crazy down. This is so easy to do, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you learn something from this, and I hope you try this hairstyle because like seriously, when you rock this hairstyle, definitely people are gonna ask you how you did it or where you did it, not knowing that you actually did it yourself. So I hope you guys enjoy and learn something from this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking, subscribing, and also share with your friends. Let them see the hairstyle and try it as well. And I'll see you guys very soon. Now let's just get into the tutorial. Hi guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair out in front. Your pattern does not have to look the best, trust me. So right here I'm gonna do the braids, the side braids. So I'm gonna be using extension for this side braid. I'm just gonna use a very little extension. As you guys can see, I'm gonna split it into two, put it together, and then just cornrow the hair. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and detangle and brush my hair in front. And then I'm gonna put it in a bun, and then I'm gonna go ahead and spray some water on it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my jam. Like I said earlier on, I did not use Eco Styler for this video. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my jam. As I apply the jam, I brush the hair. I'm just going for a very quick look right here. So I decided to take off the rubber band to properly apply the jam. Now I'm gonna put it back in a ponytail. So now I'm gonna go ahead and repeat the same thing at the back. So once I'm done, I'm gonna put it in a ponytail. So right here, I'm gonna go ahead and tie my scarf. I'll go ahead and do my makeup and I'll be back. So this is the puff I'll be using. I actually bought this puff from Amazon. I'm gonna look for it and I'm gonna link it in the description box below. I think I bought it for about £7, I think. As you can see, the puff has a drawstring. It's just, you just attach it and then pull the string and wrap it round and you're good to go. So I'm done with the one at the back. I'm gonna go ahead and repeat it in front. So guys, right now I'm gonna go ahead and put on the beads. So as you can see, I'm using my crochet lash hook to put on the beads. So what I do is that I put the bead in the lash hook and then I crochet it to the braid. I'm gonna go ahead and repeat it on the other side. Now I'm just gonna secure it. So I'm gonna tie the braid across the last bead. I hope you guys are getting it. I didn't show it properly. I'm sorry about that. So right here, I'm just spraying my oil sheen. And yes guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys so much. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is gonna be another Shein try on haul. If you've not already, please don't forget